Hi everyone, let's make some quick chicken recipe. For this recipe I'm going to be using boneless chicken, and if you have a whole chicken you can debone the chicken or you can use as it is. So without further ado, let's get started. So to my chicken I'm going to add in some cornstarch. This is a very simple recipe. You'll find everything listed in the description box down below. And then I'm going to add in some pepper. This is 2 big chicken breasts and some salt. And then I'm going to coat the chicken with the cornstarch. Once everything is combined, I'm going to move over to the stove top. Add some oil. This is a very quick recipe. If you have time, you can marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. But because it is, I have to take my lunch, I'm just going to go on and make the chicken. And still, it's going to be very delicious. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to place the chicken in the pan. The cornstarch is going to help the chicken have a very nice golden brown color. Then I'm going to let my chicken sear for around 1 minute on each side on medium-high flame. As the chicken is searing, I'm going to be adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, about a tablespoon also, and some balsamic vinegar. If you don't have the balsamic vinegar, you can use the regular vinegar. So I'm going to check on my chicken. Flip. By using medium-high flame and try not to stew the chicken breast, because the high flame is going to sear the chicken, hence you're going to have that nice golden brown color. So make sure that the heat is very high. So I'm going to wait for the other side to sear. My chicken is seared on the other side, so I'm going to reduce the flame to low and transfer my meat to a plate. The last one. And then in the same pan, I'm going to add in some garlic and 1 onion. Stir in. Add a little bit more oil to help me to cook the onions and garlic. And this smells this already smells so good because we have the chicken oil, the oil that we use to fry our chicken, and we have bits of chicken, so it's very fragrant, and it's going to be a very nice. It's going to add even more flavor. So I'm going to cook my onions until soft. That is about 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. When the onion and garlic is ready, I'm going to add back my chicken. Stir. Look how lovely my chicken is looking. So I expect my chicken to be very delicious. My chicken, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, just to make the chicken well seasoned, and some more black pepper. And then I'm going to add in my soy sauce mixture. Stir. Some ketchup. Stir in. Make sure all the pieces of chicken are coated with the delicious sauce. Once my chicken is fully coated with the soy sauce, I'm going to give this about a minute on low flame because I want the soy sauce and the soy sauce mixture to penetrate into the chicken, hence giving us a very delicious chicken. After a few minutes, I'm going to add in my capsicum. Stir in, and wow, just look at this chicken. What? It's looking so good. So I'm going to give my chicken about a minute on low flame so that my capsicum can cook for a bit. A few moments later, my chicken is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm not going to serve right now because I'm going to make fries, and then because the school is closed, the children are going to enjoy the chicken, the soy sauce chicken with fries, and they're going to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make this chicken for your family, especially your kids, and they're going to enjoy. And if you're making for the entire family, make sure to make the chicken to be super delicious.